Welcome to Bike Focus Review, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of motorcycles. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda CB500F, the latest iteration of Honda's popular middleweight naked street fighter. Known for its perfect balance of performance, practicality, and affordability, the CB500F has received a host of updates that make it an even more appealing choice for riders of all levels. Let's explore what makes the 2025 model a game-changer. Engine and performance. The 2025 Honda CB500F continues to feature its signature 471cc parallel twin engine, but with refinements aimed at enhancing power delivery and efficiency. With 48 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque, the engine provides a smooth, linear throttle response perfect for both city commuting and spirited weekend rides. Honda has also optimized the ECU for improved fuel efficiency, making it a reliable and economical option for long-distance touring. Chassis and suspension upgrades. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the upgraded suspension setup. Honda has equipped the CB500F with Showa 41mm SFF-BP separate function fork big piston front forks, offering better handling and responsiveness. The rear Pro Link suspension has been tweaked for enhanced comfort and stability. The bike's lightweight steel diamond frame has been retained, but subtle adjustments make it even more agile, ensuring confidence-inspiring cornering and maneuverability. Braking system and safety features. Safety is a priority for Honda, and the 2025 CB500F reflects this with its dual front disc brakes paired with Nissin calipers. The braking system delivers excellent stopping power and precision. The bike also comes equipped with dual-channel ABS as standard, ensuring optimal control under hard braking or wet conditions. These features make the CB500F a safe and reliable option for riders of all experience levels. Design and styling. The 2025 CB500F sports a refreshed design that blends aggression with sophistication. Sharp, angular lines, a revised LED headlight, and a muscular fuel tank give the bike a modern, sporty look. The minimalist rear section and new color options, including a striking metallic blue and matte gunpowder black, make the bike a head-turner on the streets. Honda has also improved ergonomics, with a slightly wider handlebar and reshaped seat for added rider comfort. Technology and instrumentation. In the tech department, the CB500F now features a fully digital LCD display with improved visibility. The display provides vital information such as speed, gear position, fuel consumption, and more. Honda has also added an updated assist and slipper clutch, making gear shifts smoother and reducing rider fatigue. While the bike lacks high-end electronics like ride modes or traction control, it focuses on simplicity and reliability. Riding experience. The 2025 Honda CB500F shines in its versatility. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, tackling twisty mountain roads, or cruising down highways, the bike feels perfectly at home. Its upright riding position and balanced weight distribution make it approachable for beginners, while its responsive engine and agile handling keep experienced riders engaged. Price and value. With a starting price of approximately $6,999 depending on your region, the 2025 CB500F offers exceptional value. It delivers premium features and performance typically found in higher-priced models, making it one of the best choices in the middleweight naked bike category. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda CB500F is a testament to Honda's commitment to refining and improving an already outstanding motorcycle. It's an excellent blend of performance, style, and practicality, appealing to a wide range of riders. If you're in the market for a reliable, fun, and affordable street fighter, the 2025 Honda CB500F deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thank you for tuning into Bike Focus Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.